What's good, everyone? It's Newman here. So in this video we are going to look at how to perform the DOP testnet airdrop. For those who may not know, the DOP airdrop is a sure airdrop that has been confirmed by Binance and also has many other investors, so you might want to get involved as soon as possible. The link to this site also will be in the description. So to connect your wallet, you just click on connect there and then you select MetaMask. So you need a MetaMask extension on your browser, whether it is Chrome or Safari. So switch network. And now our browser has successfully been connected. So that is typically the first thing you should always do, or you always find to do, right, when you are interacting with dApps. So the very first step here is to sign in with your X or your Twitter account. Like I said, guys, on my other airdrop video, always make sure to have a separate Twitter account that you use to make airdrops. Also, a separate MetaMask account is advised. So you just go ahead and click on authorize app, and then your Twitter will be used to sign in. So you can see it ticks green, and then we move on to the next step, that is to follow them on Twitter. So this is the DOP official Twitter page or X page, right? So you just click on the follow, and then you go back to the DOP testnet. So you click on I'm not a robot, and then you just verify. So right after you are done with that, you can see now the two of them are ticked green, and we've made only 12% progress. So we have a few more steps to go. So the next step here is to claim Sepolia ETH, right? So you just click on the claim. Now, since our wallet is already connected, it will just automatically be sent to our wallet. You see completed. So now the next thing is to claim testnet DOP, right? So click on the claim, and it brings you to your MetaMask wallet to verify the transaction. So you click on confirm. So guys, as you can already tell, this is a pretty simple airdrop you can just do. All you need is your laptop and also Wi-Fi connection, and then you are done, right? So make sure to take advantage of this airdrop opportunity before a snapshot is taken, right? From the little I read about it, it should be launching in the first quarter of 2024. So that is some good news there. So the step 3 has been completed. Now we are asked to several crypto assets, right, that will help us to perform the airdrop. So those are test tokens, or also known as faucets, right? So you just click on the claim below to claim some USDT. So you confirm that transaction, and then we claim our DOP test tokens. So MetaMask says that the transaction has been confirmed successfully. Now the next thing is to encrypt some assets, right? A few more steps to finish. So it says now you practice encrypting assets with DOP, then you'll be able to use the encrypted assets for confidential transactions and blah blah. So you just click on the get started, and then you go on. Go to select tokens, and then we have the USDT at the very top. So we'll do 200 for now, and then you tap on the encrypt. So this is just a transaction summary. Go on to click on continue. Usually most of these airdrops will require MetaMask, so make sure to have a MetaMask account. So DOP USDT spending cap, you just tap on the max right there, then that problem is solved, right? So you click on next and then approve. It says encryption in progress, so it should take a few seconds. If you're enjoying this video, by the way, don't forget to give it a like and also hit the subscribe button if this is your first time joining us, and let's make some airdrop money. So transaction has been confirmed and it brings you to MetaMask again, and then you click on the confirm transaction. So there we go, we have now confirmed our 200 USDT encryption, right? So you can choose to go and view in the Explorer. If you don't know what an Explorer is, it's more of a, so let me say, every crypto that has its own blockchain, right, has a blockchain explorer where you can see every transaction that has been performed on that blockchain network. So this is how it's just a form of confirmation. So we close that and then okay, so we have successfully completed the task. Our next mission is to send some assets, right? So you click on that. Go to select assets and then we have our DOP USDT here. So we just select that. So let's send 100 of our encrypted DOP USDT. So you click on the send. It's not going through. Oh, okay, so you have to select an account. Just selected this account, testnet DOP account, and then we come back and then click on send. So then you confirm this transaction. So click confirm. So successfully transferred. So go ahead and close that and then click OK. There's no need to go and verify again from the Explorer. So now we have a few more steps to go. The next thing now is to decrypt the assets that we just encrypted, right? So let's click on the get started. So select token and then we will take our DOP USDT. Enter an amount, and here it looks like we are required to enter our DOP password. So I'll just copy and paste mine in there. And then you want to confirm the transaction. So decryption in progress. Again brings you to your MetaMask and then you confirm the transaction. So we have just decrypted back 90 USDT, right? DOP USDT. So close. So it says you are almost there. Now you are required to invite a few more friends to join. So obviously my invite link will be in the description for you guys. You can just click on that and then hop on with this airdrop. So like I said, you want to get on to this DOP airdrop. It's definitely not a waste of time, and then also that it's very much time bound, right? The airdrop will be distributed according to the website, and also Twitter threads will be distributed before within the first quarter of 2024. So this is an opportunity for you to make your first money in crypto. With this, you can easily invest in whichever other coin that you want to invest in for the bull run, right? So my link will also be in the description. You can also share to friends, and then let's do this airdrop together. Thank you guys for watching, and that has been the DOP testnet, how to perform the task. Right now the last thing left there is to invite 3 friends, and then you are eligible for this airdrop. So we've completed all the tasks so far. We've made 87% progress. So make sure to also join in and then share to your friends as well. Also, let me know in the comment section if you are enjoying the airdrop videos and if you are taking part, most importantly, in these airdrops, because we are in 2024. This is the year of airdrops, right, where you can use to make your first ever capital in crypto without having to invest a dime, right? So let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a like and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.